In a cleanroom, the HVAC system plays a crucial role in maintaining stable environmental conditions, ensuring that product quality is not affected. The validation process of the HVAC system includes stages such as design qualification, installation qualification, calibration, operational qualification, and performance qualification. Each stage checks parameters like airflow, air velocity, temperature, humidity, and HEPA filter efficiency. The system must operate according to standards like ISO 14644 or GMP, ensuring no issues during production. The goal of validation is to maintain a clean, stable environment, secure cleanroom certification, and extend the HVAC system's lifespan in production facilities.